You asked, and we heard. We continue to provide you with digital banking tools to make your everyday tasks easier and quicker. Check out the new Simplified menu for our ever-popular Make a Transfer tool. The first thing you'll notice is the clean menu layout. You'll be able to transfer or move money to and from the places you choose in one easy-to-see view. And here's where it gets even better. You're in control of what you see. If you prefer a cleaner view, it's easy to adjust in seconds in the account visibility settings. There, you decide which accounts show on your dashboard and in your transfer list. Follow these steps to update your view. Select the circle with your initials. Choose Settings. Select Customization. Choose Account Visibility. Then, check or uncheck the accounts you want visible. To learn more about digital banking, visit tvacreditunion.com.
Join us